The ideal time to transplant is as soon as the soil dries after rain. Transplant on a cloudy day or late in the afternoon. This gives the plant time to recover from transplanting before it is exposed to the sun. Thoroughly water the transplant before planting. Use a hoe or trowel, make holes deep enough in the row so the plants can be slightly deeper than where they grew in the pots. Make a starter solution by dissolving 2 tablespoons of garden fertilizer, such as a 10-10-10, in a 1 gallon of water. Fill in the hole with starter solution and allow it to soak into the soil. Then remove the transplant from the pot or tray, set it in the hole, and firm the soil around the roots. Leave a dish-shaped depression around the plant to hold water. Water well to make sure the soil is in good contact with the roots. When setting out plants growing in peat pots, cover all the pot with soil. Peat pots exposed to the air draw moisture away from the plant roots. So it shows you figure 4. When transplanting plants in peat pots, make sure the pots are covered by the soil. Set plants this deep, be sure the pot is completely covered. Hot caps or other protection may be needed to protect eggplant, pepper, and tomato plants from late spring frost. Be prepared to protect plants each time freezing weather is expected. Remove protection as soon as the frost danger is past. Plants set in the garden in late summer for fall garden will need some protection from the sun. A shingle, piece of cardboard, or a similar object placed on the west side of the plant will provide shade.